Congratulations on being newly listed on the CSE. Hi, my name is Barrington Miller. I'm doing an episode of Newly Listed, and today I'm here with Leo Hathaway, Executive Chair of Golden Shield Resources Incorporated. And I just found out that they are operating in the jurisdiction of Guyana. Leo, why Guyana? Why are you looking for gold in Guyana?
Well, we're looking for gold in Guyana because we feel there's gold mines to be found there. It's the other half of the West African gold province where there's a number of extremely profitable mines. It's a prolific district, and then on the Guyanese side of the Atlantic, you just don't see the same density. So we're convinced of the geological prospectivity of Guyana. We're excited to be there. We have a very capable team centered around President and CEO Hilbert Shields, who's a 35-year experienced Guyanese geologist, founded a number of companies, knows the country and the rocks backwards, and knows how to explore efficiently. And as well as that, we have a very strong board, and we have the backing of the Inventor Group, which brings extremely good market depth and penetration, as well as financing power.
Now, I'm looking at a gold exploration company to invest in, and there's a lot out there, and especially with the current market conditions that are going on, why should I choose you?
You're looking to make money on your shares, and we're starting out with 27 million shares, about $3 million in the bank, 3 really good gold ounces in there's a historic resource there, and we're convinced that we can grow that. So just from a value metrics point of view, Golden Shield right now is valued at approximately $23 million on the basis of the last financing. And when you look at comparable companies and what their valuations are in Guyana, they're multiples of that. So that's why, if I were you, I would put money into our company.
Now it's something to consider. Some of the companies that are in mining and mineral exploration are poised to be, or they're looking mighty attractive for other companies. Is that something that Golden Shield Resources would contemplate? Is that something you have to? Is that always on the table for every mineral exploration company?
Yeah, well, I mean, frankly speaking, we're not there yet. That's the goal, and that's where we're trying to get to. And we think we see that potential, particularly with Marudi. We see that to be a future mine and something that a large company would consider acquiring from us in whatever way. And that's frankly is the goal we're working towards, be it at Marudi or one of our other properties.
Now, this is sort of going to be a personal question. Gold is a currency and a mineral, and that drives me crazy because I used to trade it or try to trade it, and I couldn't get it. I wasn't a gold bug. I have friends who were. And what's your attraction to gold, to this project, to the industry? I mean, you're a geologist by nature. It's in your but what is your attraction to this?
Yeah, well, I have to say I do have a bit of a love affair with gold. You know, I am a geologist, and it is, as you say, it's a very special mineral, and it's a very special element for a number of reasons. And it's also a extremely interesting financial instrument, as you were alluding to. And I like gold right now because I just see the way the financial markets are, you know, in the post-pandemic world, where unprecedented government borrowing has occurred, you know, which is already leading to rising inflation, and also, you know, sadly, the kind of unstable geopolitical environment in a number of places in the world. All of those things all go well for gold, I think. So I'm attracted to gold for all those reasons.
Now, I know you can't do this alone. I know you have a team, and there's some special people who you may just mention by name, but there's one in particular who had a pretty big position in the country of Canada. Can you talk a little bit about that special person?
Yeah, that special person is Alison Redford, and she, the special position you're talking about was she was Premier of Alberta. She's a lawyer by training, and since being Premier has become a strategic advisor to many governments around the world and private clients. Her particular area of expertise is regulatory reform, social and environmental sustainability, and energy transition policy. And with the oil and gas boom that is happening in Guyana right now, she's been advising the government and working in the country, and that's how our paths crossed through the Guyanese connection, and of course with her background in the resources industry, she adds a lot of weight to our board, both on the ESG side, on the corporate side, and on the government relations side, both in Guyana and in Canada.
You know what? It's by the sounds of it, you have a nice, tidy company. You have a strong board, you have strong people, you have a strong history. You're a geologist. What is your trading symbol? And if people wanted to find out more information about your company, where would they go?
Yeah, the trading symbol is GSRI on the CSE, and the website is goldenshield.ca, and all the information on the company is there.
And of course, you can find out their more information on our website, which is www.thecse.com, and go to their profile page. Just check out their trading symbol. Thank you for joining us today for another episode of Newly Listed. I've been your host, Barrington Miller, Director of Issuer Engagement at the CSE. And today we were talking with Golden Shield Resources and their Executive Chair, Leo Hathaway. We will see you on the next episode.